guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and today I have a very exciting haul video for you guys. I don't think I've done a haul video in quite a while now actually. So these are just a couple of really affordable skincare makeup products that I picked up recently. I have used a couple of these already and a couple of items are repurchases for me. So yeah, let's get into it. These are all the items that I recently picked up and yeah, a couple of these are repurchases, a couple of these are actually new for me and I have tried them out and I have quickly fallen in love with them. So yeah, I can't wait to share it with you guys. Let's go. First up is this Alps Goodness Tea Tree Salicylic Acid and Apple Cider Vinegar Acne Control Toner. This caught my eye because it was very affordably priced and I love salicylic acid for my acne prone oily skin. So I was looking for like a toner and especially I love toners which have this sort of a nozzle spray applicator. It makes the toner application very seamless and easy for me. So that's why I picked it up. I have used it like a couple of times, but I like to keep this in my travel bag because it's very convenient to use and it does the job pretty well. Next is definitely a repurchase for me. This is the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Serum. This is a repurchase. I finished the earlier bottle that I was using last month. So when I was, putting things in my cart, I was like, I have to put a new one of this in my cart. The reason why I love this serum is because it genuinely has shown me results. It has reduced my dark spots and hyperpigmentation, especially around my mouth area. This is because this has 1% glycolic acid, which is an AHA, which goes deep into your skin to give you brighter skin and better results. It is a lightweight and non-sticky texture, absorbs quickly into the skin, reduces dark spots and is dermatologically validated, hence effective and safe for daily use. This is my second bottle and I am super happy to continue using this in my skincare routine. Next up is something that I am super excited about. This is the NYB Mousse Blush. This has a very unique sort of consistency to it. It has this moussey texture. Also, can we take a moment to tell you how gorgeous this color is? This color on tan Indian skin tones honestly is godsend. I actually use this. I usually would not wear any makeup going to the gym or anything of that sort, but lately I've just been using a very tad bit of this on my cheeks and it gives me the most natural, beautiful blush toned on my cheeks. Like even before I go to the gym, I feel like, oh, I have like flushed cheeks, which is kind of a nice look to go for. I usually don't like wearing any makeup to the gym. I don't recommend that you wear any makeup to the gym, but if you feel like you need a little color in your cheeks, this would be a good bet. So I just take like the slightest amount and dab it on my cheeks on bare skin and it gives the most gorgeous flush of color, which is very natural and doesn't feel too cakey or anything of that sort. The texture of this is also amazing and this has quickly become my absolute ride or die. Since we're on the topic of blushes, this is another one by Blue Heaven. This is the Kiss and Blush Lip and Cheek Tint. This is in the shade Flashy Pink. I absolutely love this. This is another go-to product for when you want like that little quick fix on no makeup days. I alternate between this and the other blush that I showed you. This is slightly more convenient to use because in that, you kind of have to use your finger to remove the product and apply it. This application is just one swipe and dab and you're good to go. I feel this is better to travel with. Put it in your bag and you are done and dusted. Also the shade is very flattering for brown, Indian, tan skin tones. Medium to deep skin tones would really love this color. So definitely check it out. Plus very affordable. Next up are two lip glosses that I got from Rude Cosmetics. So this is actually my first purchase from Rude Cosmetics. I've never tried any of their products before. One that I have here is Nudist. This is like a nice nude peachy sort of color. This is perfect for, you know, when you want to top off your nice brown shade with a little hint of gloss. I have to say that I'm quite impressed with these lip glosses. They do a very good job. They smell amazing, and I am excited to try more of these. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried these lip glosses. I have been really into lip glosses these days. I mean, I was such a matte lip girly, but now I'm like really into glosses. So yeah, very excited to play more with these. Next up is this Inside Cosmetics HD Conceal High Definition Concealer. I've got it in the shade 04 Golden Sand. This is what it looks like. It's a perfect dupe packaging of the LA Girl Concealer. Though I would say that the shade is way too light for my liking. I actually thought that this might be my skin tone color from what I saw on the website, but this is way too light for my liking. I like the fact that it has a little bit of a yellow undertone, so I could use it a little bit for brightening, but definitely they need to work on their shade range. I don't think that Inside Cosmetics, their base range is very brown girl friendly, and though the consistency of it is very nice, and if you can find in your shade, then it's like a jackpot and you would really love this. But unfortunately this was not my shade, so next up I got this Bronson Professional Makeup Sponge. I love the color of this and the shape of this. This comes in this nice diamond shape and this pink color. Honestly, I was very drawn to it because of the shape of this. I don't have any makeup sponge in my collection, or I've actually never used a diamond shaped sponge before. I felt like the shape would be great to, you know, get under the eyes and stuff like that. I haven't used this up till now, so I don't know how it will perform, but I shall keep you updated. And I hope that it will perform well. High hopes. Fingers crossed. Last but definitely not the least, this is the Stay Quirky Primer Plus Setting Spray. मेरा outer packaging थोड़ा खराब हो गया है, but figure not, because the inner product is what you're here for. This is what the bottle of it looks like. It has a very peculiar smell to it. I'm not sure if majority of you guys will like it. It does a decent job, but it's not the best setting spray that I have ever used. I honestly feel that this is nice as a refresher spray because it's small, very affordable. You can put it in your bag to kind of feel a little refreshed, but the smell of it is, you know, kind of off-putting, so I'm not sure if everyone will like it. But if you can get past that, you can give it a go. I mean, I'm like 50-50 on it. I won't say that I 100% recommend, and I won't say that it's a absolutely don't even look at it. I mean, look at it with caution. That's what I would say. Alright, so I guess that is it. Those were all the things that I got from my little haul. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried any of these products. I would love to know your review on it. And for me, the one thing that I'm very excited to try, I mean, I've already been using it for a very long time, is the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Serum. I am absolutely in love with it. And the NYB Mousse Blush. Those two are my absolute favorites. So if you want to just get two things out of this haul, definitely check out both of these things. You will not regret. So yes, that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.